Welcome to our presentation. The title of the presentation is Task-Based Activities and Assessment Using Blended Learning System in Teaching Literacies in a Bilingual Context of Learning English by Ninyoman Padmadewi and Luputu Artini from Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. Introduction. TBLT or Task-Based Language Teaching is an approach which involves students actively in the learning process to achieve the learning objective and also to complete the task. TBLT is considered very useful to be used because the students are demanded to employ many skills in doing the task and at the same time also using English in authentic situation. Pandemic and global changes demand integrations of technology. Many teachers admitted that they are not ready to do it, especially for those who teach at elementary schools. Despite they don't like it, or they are not ready for that, the integration of technology in teaching learning process cannot be avoided. Besides those challenges, another challenge that is also faced by the teacher is in assessment. They stated that they find out a lot of challenges in assessing the student during online learning. Blended learning system is considered as an alternative mode of learning English using TBLT. A lot of research have been conducted on how blended learning system have been used for teaching learning in the classroom. Despite a lot of research have been conducted, there are very limited research have been carried out in the use of blended learning system using TBLT and assessment in teaching English, especially for the first grade of elementary schools in the context of bilingual school. For that reason, the purpose of the study is to explore how task-based activities and assessment are implemented in the teaching of literacies utilizing a blended learning system in a bilingual context of English learning. Methods. The study was conducted in a descriptive classroom research in the form of a case study design. It was conducted in the first grade at a bilingual school in North Bali. The study involved grade 1A and 1B of elementary schools, which consists of about 20 students in each class. The data were collected by using observations, document study, the interview, and also tests, and all analyzed qualitatively as well as quantitatively. Findings. The blended learning system implemented consists of 4 parts. The first one is asynchronous learning, where the school used Schoology as the main LMS. In the Schoology, the teacher uploaded many learning resources, can be in the form of student worksheet, or reading materials, or video, or in the form of games, like using word wall application where the students are able to use games in the classroom. Besides that, the student must be able also to read every day using virtual library. The synchronous learning were conducted by using Zoom in combination of face-to-face and also sometimes parent-student conference where the parents need to have consultation. Every week, the teacher provides the student with packages of learning, which consists of circular message, student worksheet, and also reading log, where the student need to write down the activity of reading that they have conducted at home. Parent involvement system is also empowered by asking the student to read weekly parent page and also circular message, which tell them about information how to help the student to study at home. Type of task carried out by the student can be categorized into 2 types. The first one is pedagogical task and the next one is real-life task. Pedagogical tasks are tasks assigned by teachers to students in order for them to comprehend the substance of the subject matter and intended for practicing the language in order to ensure the proper usage of English. Real-life tasks are tasks that the teacher provides for the student to do in order to practice using English in real life. This is the type of tasks that are given by the teacher. There are 2 types of tasks. The first one is task in a class level, and the second one is task in a school level as a school-wide program. The task in a class level can be in the form of pedagogical tasks and real-life tasks. Pedagogical tasks are slowly improved into real-life tasks where the students are demanded to use English in completing the task. While the school-wide program are the literacy program, which are in the form of extensive reading, given to the student in order to be done in the form of school-wide cohort. The cohort are in the form of several groups, and the group is called as a house. So the literacy task provided by the teacher must be done in a house cohort. And beside that, the students are also provided with million minutes reading challenge. This one is a task which demands students to read every day, and they have to calculate the amount of time that they spend, and then they have to challenge the other group in terms of how much time that they spend in reading every week. Beside those kind of tasks, the students are also doing a kind of any other literacy task, which is a kind of extended activities where the students are needed to write or read something in English. The task can be conducted bilingually, either in Bahasa Indonesia, especially during the early time in the first semester, and then after that slowly using English. The bilingual context has obvious contribution to the literacy skill of the student, and extensive reading material are bilingual from the start. In order to assess the student success in learning and also the effectiveness of TBRT, several types of assessment were used and employed by the teacher. The first one in the form of formative test. This test or assessment is basically intended as assessment for learning and assessment as learning. The assessment can be in the form of task-based assessment, and also in the form of quizzes, and also in the form of giving comments through the application of field grade about the video uploaded by the student. And beside that, the students are also asked to speak and record it in a video. The assessment of learning is conducted as a summative assessment, where the students are interviewed by the teacher in authentic situation. The result of the assessment were then analyzed in the form of t-test, and then the result found out that the improvement of the student are very clear and obvious. The comparison of the score between before the treatment at the beginning of the semester compared with at the end of the semester is found out improving very significantly. So it can be concluded that the task-based activities conducted have been able to promote student achievement in literacy. The variation of tasks, which are slowly graded from pedagogical tasks to real-life tasks, have been of significant support to students. The blended learning system being implemented successfully serves students with various modes of learning. Assessment showed that students were able to increase their English literacy. The context of bilingual situation accelerate the use of English in authentic situation, which benefit the student literacy achievement. I think that's all our presentation. Thank you.